This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So in order to prevent the display on this tablet from going to sleep automatically or entering the idle mode, all that you need to do is to launch the Play Store app, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, of course, and then look for the Caffeine app. Once the needed app is found, here it is, you will need to open its app page or app info page and tap at the install button, and then obviously wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on your device. Then you can go ahead and launch it. And in here, simply make sure that the timeout parameter or option was set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it accidentally or on purpose. And as long as it stays active, your display will not go to sleep or will not turn itself off automatically. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.